Oh hi, it's Nye. So we have another video brought to you by Renisha. I'm pretty sure it's Renisha, because Renisha, it might be Renisha, I don't know. But she requested I do an everyday makeup tutorial or make a tutorial for beginners, but I'm kind of still a beginner, so I'm just gonna kind of do this one. So, face is moisturized, primed, all that good stuff. First thing I'm going to do is take the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Caramel. And I didn't pick up anything to blend my foundation with. Why? So, again, taking NYX Total Control... NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. And just plooping it all over the face. Then taking a damp sponge, which I cut the bottom off too, and is this in frame? No, it isn't, but I'm moving it anyway, so... Well, maybe wearing a white robe was not right for this. I'm filming, go away.
Huh?
I'm filming.
Oh.
I'm gonna put you in the video now. For more coverage, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade Golden Caramel, because the NYX foundation is buildable. I just like the finish of the Maybelline one better. Now that is done, going in with my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade CW06.5 or Golden. I don't know why I didn't do, oh my. It gave up on life. What happened? Okay, I fixed it. I don't know what that was about. I'm running out of this, so going to have to get more. Then on top of that concealer, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium, because the NYX foundation, why do I keep wanting to say foundation? The NYX concealer oxidizes, and when you first put it on, it's a little bit lighter, and then once it sits on the skin, it literally becomes like the same tone as my skin tone, so I don't want that. Now for contour, you know, I don't know why I sounded like I was from New Jersey, not really, but you know, I'm going to take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Walnut, Hazelnut, a lot of nuts in this video. And just kind of chisel out the cheeks. I need to buy this concealer in like my actual like concealing shade, you know, instead of just getting the darker ones. But it blends out so nicely that I just like using it for this, you know? And I also like to put concealer right here. I mean, like, you know, a little bit of contour right there. And a little here. Just to kind of, you know, snatches the face. I kind of have like a I don't know what kind of shape of face I have, okay? I don't know. I feel like it's kind of boxy and I don't really like that, so just going to blend that out. I like this shade because it also kind of just warms up the face a little bit. It kind of acts like my bronzer, that way I don't have to bronze my face. Again, I put way too much on the side. Why do I do this to myself? I know it looks like I'm like punching myself in the face, but well, that time I did, but like, I'm not punching. If anyone is wondering where I got this sponge from, the dollar store. Just go to the dollar store because they have their brushes, why do I keep wanting to say things that aren't the actual thing of life? What is life? Baby Don't Hurt Me. That's the wrong song. That's not how that song goes. Jesus. Shambles. And then just dab this. Because the way that, like, when I put foundation and, like, concealer and stuff on my nose, it kind of makes my nose look like it's just kind of floating in the middle of my face. Like a floating baby head or something, but just, like, you know, just chilling in the middle of my face. And so I need to put that contour there so that it actually looks like I have a nose bridge. For eyebrows. Where'd my... Oh, there it is. I like to use this eyebrow pomade. It's called Max Makeup Cherimoya. I don't know. I got it at Marshall's because somebody gave me a gift card, and I was like, who shops at Marshall's? But, you know, I went in there anyway, and I found this, and I was like, you know what? It's $6. I got a $10 thing. Let's just use it. So, I also bought it because I love me some Wendy Williams, and on the box it said, bro, you don't. And I was like, oh yes, I have to have this. This is everything. So, if you guys don't know, Wendy Williams says how you doing a lot, but instead of how you doing, it said brow you doing, and I was like, okay, that's literally what made me buy this. So, you're welcome. Every time I kind of like lift this eyebrow up and do this, I kind of feel like I should be talking like an evil supervillain from like a Batman movie or something. I don't know. It just kind of looks like that. I feel like I feel like I'm supposed to talk like, yes, of course. No, just me. Okay. And just the concealer on my face. Sisters, not twins. I kind of tried to like even them out, and I just kind of turned myself into Maleficent a little bit. So, you know. This stuff is really weird though, because I literally forgot to put the cap on it, and I didn't wear makeup for 3 days, and this literally was sitting out for 3 days, and it didn't dry out at all. Like literally at all. It's still like super oily and stuff, so I don't know. Weird. Now to set that, I'm going to use the Gimme Brow from Benefit because I'm trying to use it up because I don't really feel like it does anything. I'm just gonna use this as like a setting gel. I just kind of feel like maybe I have like too much eyebrow for this product, because I tried it multiple times and I just don't feel like it's good at like setting my eyebrows, because like literally when I use this stuff, my eyebrows like don't come off at all throughout the day. But at like the people that they showed on the box, literally going from no eyebrows to like ridiculous eyebrows, was just like, no, that didn't happen for me at all. After this long ass time of waiting, I'm going to blend out my concealer. You can see just like all my acne spots. Oh god. I'm trying to work on my skin. It's not going very well. You know. Going to use this cosmetic face powder in the shade Haze. Oh, cosmic face powder in the shade Haze. Taking some more of that powder and just using this Sephora fluffy face brush and just setting the rest of my face with that. Going to curl my lashes. You can see the difference already. I mean, my lashes are naturally curled, but I like to curl them anyway and just give them a little bit extra lift. Now using my favorite mascara, Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. It's the best thing. Everybody knows about this. Everybody knows it's a cult classic and all of that stuff. So, It is kind of clumpy, but I like that clumpy look. It makes them look like really long and fluttery, I guess, and thick with toesies and juicy and just nice. I mean, if you want like natural, you can literally just touch it once and then you get like this kind of like a nice fluttery, but I'm like extra, so I don't recommend that you go like, you know, people like go on this side. I don't really recommend you do that too much with this mascara because it will clump a ridiculous amount if you keep doing that. Again, don't mind white in the waterline. I normally wouldn't do that, but I couldn't get it off. You know, like the NYX Jumbo eye pencils, they do not come off, especially if you put them like in your waterline or anything. They will not come off. So, last but not least, actually, I might do blush. Just because, I don't know, I never do blush, but I'm doing it in this video. I couldn't find my regular fan brush, so this one's used for contouring, but I'm going to use it to apply my highlight anyway, just because I can. So like when I lean forward, it's like, what? And then I lean back and it's like, what? I literally just said the same thing. Jokes. I have jokes. Why aren't you laughing? You're supposed to be laughing. Laugh. I can't keep still, so I'm kind of slightly moving. Why am I doing this with that big brush? Oh no. Oh my. Overdid it. I like how I said that I overdid it and then I put more. Okay. Nah, I don't want to do blush. That's too much work. Now I'm just gonna go in with this Butter London lip gloss, plumping lip gloss in the shade Let's Eat Cake. You don't have to use a plumping lip gloss. I just kind of like this one. Let me go throw a wig on. I'm not changing out of this though because I'm comfortable AF. So, yay, dookie braids. Okay. So, this is the final. I look like my mom. It's not a bad thing. Like, just like with my makeup like this, I kind of look like my mom. Not that she, this is not like supposed to be shady or anything. It's just like, I don't know. I kind of feel like I look like my mom a little bit. Anyway, I mean, of course I'm supposed to look like my mom because, you know, she's my mom, but like, this is the finished makeup look. Don't mind whatever, like all that. Just, I'm a very messy person, okay? Hi, UPS guy. Anyway, this is the finished makeup look. I hope, what am I grabbing? What am I squeezing? Okay. This video is just taking a weird turn, man. But this is the finished makeup look. Renisha, I hope this is everything that you wanted. If it's not, then I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. But this is... Don't back. This person's literally finna back up into the UPS truck. But they have a cute dog, so... Not the UPS man, the guy who almost backed. Okay. So, anyways, that's... Why am I like raving? Okay. Just do the intro. I mean the outro. Oh god. Anyway, that's all I had for this video. If you liked it, then I'm just gonna keep squeezing and make you uncomfortable because not you, Renisha, just everyone else. Anyway, that's all that I had for this video. If you liked it, then good for you, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.